Siddharth, why do we get hiccups?
Hiccups are funny ones. Most of the cases of hiccups come after eating or drinking too much or too quickly. You must be wondering where these funny noises are coming from. The part to be blamed is your diaphragm.
Oh,
This is a dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of your chest, and all hiccups starts hearing. The diaphragm helps in breathing.
how?
When you inhale, it pulls down into chill air into the lungs. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and the air flows out of the lungs back to the nose and mouth. But sometimes the diaphragm becomes irritated. When this happens, it pulls down in a jerky way, which helps you suck air into your throat. Suddenly, when the air rushing in hits your voice box, you are left with a big hiccup.
Oh. Then?
All cases of hiccups last only a few minutes. Everyone has their own suddenly flickering hiccups. Simply holding your breath is often effective.